I'm gonna play a Slender Engine game, just like Thomas did. So here I go. Oh, it's kind of dark here. Oh god, which way should I go? Maybe left. Alright, so where's the truck? Okay, so where is it? Why is it so dark here? I mean, shouldn't it be daytime? Man, where's the truck? Oh, which way should I go now? Oh, this way. Another switch? I'll go right. I see a truck. Yes. Oh, I must get it. Huh? Why can't they just put the switches over here? I mean, that's just weird. Yes! Got the first truck. Only 7 more. Oh my god. What's that sound? Oh. Gotta find the other 7 trucks. Now where are the 7 trucks? Oh, which way? Left. Oh god, where's that truck? Hey, oh no, coming to a shed. Maybe the truck's in there. Oh, there's the truck. Yes. Got it. Okay, I only need 6 more. And oh my god, what was that? Oh god. Oh man, run, please run. Oh god, where am I going now? I meant him in sheds. Now. Whoa. Okay, someone should fix that. Oh jeez. Oh, I'm getting creeped out by here. Oh, I see another truck. I have to get it. Now I got the 3rd truck. Only 5 more. Okay, All I need is 5 more. Ah! Oh my god, just give me a minute, please. Oh, dang it. You gotta be kidding me. That's not fair. I only got in 3 trucks. Man. Who's gonna beat this game now?